guys, so sorry for the quick interruption right here. I had to go inside because one, my hands are freezing. Two, it is currently snowing. But yeah, it is currently snowing right now. So I am inside the bus station right now. I'm really bummed. I was trying to get some tricks and then the stupid bus came right here out of nowhere and then yeah. But I did manage to get some cool little artsy shots there, which I'm hyped about. Sorry this video didn't have any skating in it. Really had maybe a little bit, but yeah, it was more of an artsy montage, you know? So yeah, I think I might just chill in here for a little bit. It's actually pretty nice. If you guys are ever in the Rosemont area, this is the place to be when it's summertime, because they got drinks like right here, like a water fountain, they got a bathroom. Super nice, and this place is pretty good with the skate spots. And I just noticed I keep looking at the stupid LCD screen. I keep looking at myself. I gotta start looking right at the camera, right at you guys, you know. I don't know, oh my gosh. You guys go look at this. It is a freaking blizzard. You can't really see it that well. I'm gonna go inside and get a better shot at this. This is insane. Oh my gosh. It's a blizzard, Harry. Look at this, you guys. It's nuts. Damn. This is Minnesota right here for you guys. It goes from nice out. I was just skating to this crap all of a sudden. So, and that got dropped off here from my dad because he needed the car. So I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit. It's kind of creepy. Chill here for a little bit and then have him pick me up. So yeah, in the meantime, enjoy some nice artsy snowy shots. Here you guys go.
This blue eye perceives all things conjoined. The past, the future, and the present. Everything flows, and all is connected. This eye is not merely seeing reality, it is touching the truth.
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. Sorry there is barely any skateboarding in this video. Stupid friggin' weather is being not cooperative today. Super snowy, but it actually made for some cool shots. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please get on there, hit the like button, and subscribe right up here because I make daily videos. And yeah, that's about it. So again, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Peace.